Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're diving deep into Awaken OS 4.5 on the Poco X2. This custom ROM has been generating quite a buzz, so let's see what it's all about. Before we dive into the UI and features, let's talk performance. We ran a Geekbench test and got impressive results. A single-core score of 660 and a multi-core score of 1606 is pretty solid. This suggests smooth performance, but let's see how it translates to real-world usage. Customization is a key aspect of any custom ROM, right? Well, Awaken OS 4.5 takes a minimalist approach. You won't find a dedicated customization section here. The settings menu is pretty standard, with no extra bells and whistles. While this might disappoint those who love tweaking every little detail, it also means a cleaner, less cluttered experience. Let's talk networking. One standout feature is the ability to disable custom DNS while using a VPN. This is a handy option for those who prefer to stick with their ISPs DNS servers when connected to a VPN. Other than that, it's your standard connectivity options, Bluetooth, screencast, printing, and the usual suspects. Notifications and sounds are pretty straightforward. You get a flash notification option, which is always nice. Plus, you can enable the notification light in low battery mode, a small but useful touch. Overall, no major complaints here. Battery life seems to be a strong point of Awaken OS 4.5. We've been getting good screen on time, and the battery information provided in the settings is detailed. You can check temperature and health, which is always helpful for battery management. The display section offers some interesting options. You can force the refresh rate to 90 Hz, 120 Hz, or 60 Hz, or let it adapt automatically. However, be warned, forcing the refresh rate might lead to screen flickering or color tint issues. It's a risk you'll have to weigh. A cool feature is the ability to remove the dual punch hole cutout, giving you a more immersive experience. You can also set the refresh rate on a per-app basis, which is a nice touch. Security-wise, you've got fingerprint and face unlock, which work reliably. Importantly, Awaken OS 4.5 is Play Store certified and passes SafetyNet, so you can use banking apps and other sensitive services without any issues. So, how does it all perform? In a word, smooth. We haven't encountered any lag or stutter during daily use. Gaming, multitasking, and navigating the UI are all buttery smooth. The Poco X2 hardware combined with Awaken OS 4.5 seems to be a match made in heaven. Awaken OS 4.5 on the Poco X2 is a solid custom ROM. While it lacks extensive customization options, it makes up for it with strong performance, good battery life, and a clean interface. If you're looking for a reliable daily driver with a focus on performance and stability, this ROM is definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried Awaken OS? What do you think? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.